Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you there is 3 habits that can be game changer for in your learning English. So guys, let me know. So guys, so first habit is think in English. So guys, in starting it can be difficult direct thinking in English, but you can start from this. You can translate like your Hindi to English, what is your native language, but slowly you can try, you should try think in direct in English. So guys, suppose that if you are not able to think hard sentence like tough sentences, then you can try simple sentences like phone is on the table, fan is on. You can try like this simple sentences. So guys, if you do this thing, if you try to think in English, then slowly it will be habit, then it can be easy. So you can do this thing. And second is speak in English. So guys, you all know guys that English is a skill like swimming, like other skills. Suppose that if you want to learn swimming, you cannot learn swimming by reading book. You have to go into water for learning swimming. So this is also like this. If you want to learn English, then you have to practice a lot. You have to learn daily something new. You have to improve daily, day by day. So guys, you can do these things. So, and third is learning guys, learning English. So yeah, there is no end for learning. I think you have to learn lifetime. So if you want to learn English fluently, then even if you can speak in English, you can speak, you are able to speak, but also you have to learn something new daily, because there is no end for learning. So I think if you want to good, very good in English, then you have to learn daily something new. You have to improve yourself day by day. So guys, I have told you in last video that English is not just only language for me. This is a confidence for me. So guys, I like speaking English, and even if I speak Hindi, then I like when I add some new words, verbs in English. So I like this. So my reason is, there is lots of reason for learning English of mine, but I don't know what is your reason. But I will tell you that if you want to learn English, then you have to do these 3 habits, like learning means learn something new daily and speak daily, not for 1 or 2 hours. If you are able to speak for 10 minutes, for 5 minutes, then you have to try to speak. You have to try to speak in front of mirror and record your video. So you can do these all things. So guys, I think it will be helpful for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.